Welcome to Bookkeeping Life, where we empower individuals like you to learn, start, and grow their very own bookkeeping business, giving you the freedom and the flexibility and independence you desire. So why consider a bookkeeping career, especially now? First, there are over 33 million registered businesses in the United States, and a staggering 98% of them are classified as small businesses, which you're looking for. Another significant advantage of starting your own bookkeeping business now is the autonomy to set your own hours. In this day and age, I can't stress enough how impactful this is. And for us, that was the kind of work-life balance that we were looking for. And it's one of the primary reasons we dedicated ourselves to bookkeeping. Picture this. With a bookkeeping business, you can work from virtually anywhere. Imagine earning an income while enjoying the serenity of the mountains, or the relaxation of the beach, or even having the freedom to travel abroad while you're still managing your clients' accounts. Once you're trained, all it takes is a laptop, some accounting software like a QuickBooks Online, and an internet connection. So if this sounds intriguing and you're ready to take the next step, head on over to Bookkeeping Life and explore the bundle options that suit your needs. Don't forget to sign up for our mailing list. We send out weekly emails that are filled with valuable tips, insights, and industry knowledge. And as a token of our appreciation for you joining the mailing list, we'll provide you with a vital roadmap titled Bookkeeper's Roadmap to Building a Business, which is designed to kickstart your journey. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like or subscribe button below. We have exciting new content and training coming your way soon. Thank you for stopping by, and we hope to see you as part of the Bookkeeping Life community soon.